Hello, everyone, and welcome to Furucombo's Community Call number 45 for the month of January. So, in this community call, we're just going to be going over some updates with Furucombo. So, basically, a 2023 recap of everything that we accomplished in 2023 and some things to look forward to in 2024 that we're excited to share. And then at the end, we'll go over just a briefing on the next campaign that's going to be launching next week. So, that is going to be the Adventure Arb Wonderland, which we're super excited to share. So definitely stick through this one. We have a lot of cool things to share, and we're excited for 2024. So let's get right into it. So for our 2023 recap, basically, I just want to go over the intention of Furucombo for 2023. So things that we looked at that we wanted to provide to users or features that we wanted to provide were based around enhancing the functionality of create mode first and foremost, improving the user experience, and then a big thing that we did this year was launch the lending dashboard. So we noticed that the complex UI UX of create mode prevented some users from taking advantage of advanced features. So we basically aim to design a new user-friendly UX for higher success and one-click position management. So previously, before, if you wanted to do some position management, you would have to go into create mode here and you would have to manually drag and drop your cubes. Otherwise, you'd have to go into the quick mode and then maybe set up like a leverage long, for instance, and then set up all these cubes like this. So now you can simply go to the lending dashboard, connect your wallet, and do those kind of one-click actions. So it's a lot easier than it was before. And if you have any problems or want to learn more about the lending dashboard, you can find out more on our docs page, find out what kind of actions you can do. This is how the interface looks. You simply just click collateral swap, debt swap, leverage, deleverage, and then you can perform those one-click actions. So that was one of our main focuses 2023. Also in 2023, we launched the Stargate Cube. So this allowed users to bridge between all the chains seamlessly on Furucombo. So any of our available 7 chains, you can utilize the Stargate Cube and you can swap between those different chains. The cool thing is you can add multiple bridge transactions in one combination. You can swap some tokens to bridge to different chains. Maybe that particular chain or bridge doesn't allow a certain token transfer. You can kind of chain together those swap actions, swap to the appropriate token that you need to bridge, and then utilize the Stargate token bridge function. So that added a lot more composability to Furucombo for us. Next, we added the Lido functionality. So this allows users to take advantage of the liquid staking derivatives. And this is a very much growing market. So we wanted our users to be able to take advantage and earn some yield on their Ethereum. So you can take advantage of that on Ethereum only at the moment. We also created a multi-send and multi-swap functionality. So the multi-send function allows anyone to send a token to many different addresses. So if you're looking at doing an airdrop, if you're looking at potentially diversifying your portfolio or for DAO payments, you can utilize the multi-send function for this kind of action. Then we also have the multi-swap. So you can send many tokens into one token all within one cube. So before you had to add a swap cube each individually, and if you were looking at maybe swapping 10 tokens into one, it was a little bit of a burdensome process. So we've streamlined that now with the multi-swap function. So again, if you want to take advantage of that, you can go into create mode. You can go down to multi-send here, for instance, if you want to multi-send tokens, and you can import via CSV, or you can manually add each of the addresses, and then you can also save to your address history for later if you wish. That way you can recall this anytime if you are doing DAO payments, and you can add all your DAO recipients in here and then every month send that out. So that makes it really easy to take advantage of that. And then on the multi-send or multi-swap side, you can do that via Uniswap v3. And you can basically choose as many input tokens as you want here and then decide which kind of output token you want to swap all these to. So we provided that this year. And then we also updated the website site to show kind of the different products we offer, the breadth of diversity of products that we offer, and then how to guide users to different kinds of actions. So, we have create mode, we have invest, we have the fund manager system, we have the lending dashboard, and learning tools and all that, videos and everything now that's easily differentiable on the website. So the website should help people to figure out kind of which products they want to use. And again, you can kind of see the updated website here. You can see the different functions that maybe you want to take advantage of. You can find out kind of what's popular or which kind of quick strategy you want to get involved in. If you want to invest with our fund managers, you can do that via here. Or if you want to just take advantage of one of these pools, you can kind of click there and get involved. So we kind of just made it more streamlined to figure out kind of how you can get involved in DeFi and make it easier for everyone. And as we continue into 2024, we will continue to make those streamline things and make it easier for everyone. So additionally, we added the quick menu. So this allows anyone to find pre-built actions to, again, help you get started using Furucombo a bit easier. So to find that, you can just go into create mode here, and then under the quick menu, you can see kind of all these kind of actions that users generally like to use Furucombo for. Swap and bridge, deposit and borrow, maybe repay and withdraw, or any kind of the advanced actions, leverage, deleverage, debt swap, collateral swap. So that just allows you to get started on the create mode easier. Again, if you can use a lending dashboard, that's the better option, but this is kind of another one if you're maybe wanting to do some action that you can't do on the lending dashboard, such as deposit and borrow in one transaction or swap and bridge, things like that. Great. So that's our 2023 recap for the products that we brought to the table. Now, we also had a lot of content that we shared. This included 11 workshops. We hosted 11 community calls. We created 10 position management tutorials, which can be found in our docs. And we released 7 newsletters. So all the workshops, all the community calls can be found in our YouTube. They can also be found in the Discord. We have a channel where we share all that information, and that can be found in the Furu Studio, it's called. So all our videos are shared there. So we created tons of content around um, general crypto knowledge, so bridging, Radiant, maybe an Arbitrum campaign, things like that, Metis, BRC20, and then we have content that's directly related to Furucombo. So maybe how to do a collateral swap, why you would care about doing a collateral swap, and how it can help you manage your position easier on either Aave, Radiant, or Compound, things like that. So super excited for that content. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And then we also had a ton of community campaigns this year. So we started off the year with the Chinese New Year Red Envelope campaign. And then a few months later, we had the ETH Taipei event. So we had a ton of participants there. We had 60 registrations for our hackathon and over 150 attendees at our happy hour. So thanks to everyone that attended there. We had a ton of good discussions. We gave out some swag and some stickers and some POAPs and tons of things. So it was a really good event. We also launched our office hours this year. And then we had a Ready Multi-Train Trader on Metis campaign where we had over 900 participants. And then the latest campaign that we held was the Arbitrum Degens Party. So we had a campaign with 4 of our partners, Fox Wallet, OpenOcean, Dodo, and Radiant. And we had over 2,000 participants. And campaign rewards are still being distributed. So stay tuned for this. I'm hoping that this will happen in the next couple of weeks here. Yeah, so lots of great events happened this year. Again, if you're part of the community and part of the Furucombo kind of circle, then you can kind of take advantage of these campaigns, and it's really fun stuff. So thanks to everyone who participated in these campaigns. And then we also introduced Protocol Link this year. So Protocol Link is our first tool designed for developers. So this is an API SDK system that allows anyone to build utilizing the composability of Furucombo. So previously in the past, it's been a little difficult to integrate protocols into Furucombo or for protocols to do their own work to integrate into Furucombo. So this allows basically anyone to take advantage of the tooling that we provided and basically take advantage of the potential of Web3. So here's the Protocol Link website if you want to check it out. So basically, what you can achieve with the Protocol Link API SDK is maybe integrating your lending protocols, doing some automation, Zap functions. You can multi-action bundle. You can create your own bot, that kind of thing. So we've provided all this tooling so that you can, again, take advantage of the composability of Furucombo, utilize the protocols that we have within ours, such as Aave, Balancer, Compound, Paraswap, and you can do this all without having to code Solidity. So this is really, really cool. We're hoping that we get more people building on this in 2024. And we also upgraded our back end of Protocol Link or back end of the lending dashboard to Protocol Link once this went live. So now when you use the Furucombo lending dashboard, you are in essence using Protocol Link. Great. So that's our 2023 recap. Next, I want to share what we're working on in 2024. So super excited again to share this with everyone. This is not an inclusive roadmap, and it's not necessarily set in stone, but this is our kind of methodology or thinking process for 2024. And of course, if there's something you want to see or something maybe you don't agree with, we'd love to hear from you and get more insight into the kind of tooling that as a user for Furucombo you're looking for. So great, let's get right into it. So our main focus for 2024 is going to be more laser focused plan for the lending dashboard. So right now, the lending dashboard is our main product and our main use case. So we want to provide more utility to that. So we want to provide more protocols. We want to provide more dashboard features so you can see your position clear. You can kind of make judgmental decisions based on our dashboard. And we want to have an easier or sleeker UI UX to make it easier for the user, easier to make decisions, and then maybe easier to change your position or take advantage of these advanced tools. So some protocols we're looking at adding are MorphoBlue and Spark, some other lending protocols. And we are going to include all kind of lending features, including the advanced features. So collateral swap, debt swap, loop leverage, and unloop deleverage. Additionally, we're looking at adding more networks, so we're looking into Gnosis chain. And we also want to make it easier for users to switch their position, their switcher position. So if you have a position on maybe Aave and you want to switch over to Radiant, how can you easily do that? So we are looking into a migrate option, any kind of way that we can make it easier for users to do the kinds of actions that they want to see. So that's one thing that we're checking on and seeing is there demand for this. Additionally, we are going to continue with the trend to be the only position management protocol to support EOA wallets, but we also want to support Gnosis safe wallets as well. So we think there's a lot of untapped potential in that market. There's a lot of Gnosis smart safe wallets that aren't being utilized. So we want to be able for users to go into their safe wallets and then manage their positions directly without having to maybe swap back to their EOA wallet. So in supporting the Gnosis safe wallets, we can also provide automation features. So we're going to be looking into what features we can provide to safe users and then what kind of automation people want to see, and then can we provide that and then build that so people can take advantage of this. So we also want to provide a native version of the lending dashboard. So we want to create a new wallet that allows users to manage their position directly. So this is going to reduce friction, this is going to reduce complexity, and this is going to allow for a better user experience. So instead of having to come to an interface to manage your position, instead of having to connect your wallet, you can do this all directly from the wallet system. Maybe you connect your Gnosis Safe, or you can connect your EOA wallet private key directly to the wallet, and now you can manage your position directly from this new wallet system. So we're also going to utilize Protocol Link for this wallet system. So we're super excited for what this is going to look like. Again, the point is to kind of reduce these friction points and make it easier for everyone to take advantage of the tooling that we can provide. Great. So that's what we're looking at for 2024. Hope you're excited as we are for kind of working and releasing these kind of updates and products. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. And then finally, I want to talk just briefly about the Adventure Arb Wonderland. So this is a campaign that's going to begin on January 8th. And users that perform position management on the Furucombo lending dashboard can earn their portion of 59,500 allocated ARB tokens. So this is only on the Arbitrum network, and you have to perform position management using Radiant, Compound, or Aave. So this could be debt swap, collateral swap, leverage, or deleverage. It's not going to include deposits, withdrawals, things like that. So the amount of rewards going towards this campaign at the current price is about $120,000. So we have tons of rewards for this. Everybody's going to be able to earn. The point is to be able to understand the tooling that we're providing and take advantage of these features. And then by utilizing our position management, you're also going to be able to earn. So you're going to be earning money from the rewards. And then you're also going to be learning the kind of benefit of utilizing the position management tooling that we can provide. So we're going to be sharing details with this very, very soon, early next week, probably on Monday. So definitely stay tuned. Thanks again, everyone, for taking the time to follow us on this community call. And we'll see you at the next one. I hope you guys are excited about 2024. Cheers.